Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you have trouble making real English conversations? Do you want to speak English more quickly and confidently, but you're too busy to join an English class? Don't worry, you're in the right place and I'm here to help you. The fastest way to improve your spoken English is through practice. Daily, simple, real practice. That's why in this video, we're going to focus on everyday English conversations. Step by step, one topic at a time. The key is repetition and confidence. When you practice one topic until it feels natural, English will start to flow automatically.
Exactly. And in today's lesson, you'll hear easy ESL questions and answers. So you not only learn the words, but also understand how to use them naturally in daily life.
So, stay with us and practice along. Together, we're going to make English speaking easy, fun, and part of your daily routine.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
Let's get started.
Hey, do you often use websites?
Of course. I visit websites almost every day.
What type of websites do you usually go to?
It depends on my goal. I like entertainment and education websites, like Facebook, Wikipedia, and VOA Special English.
Nice. Why do you like those?
Facebook is fun. I can chat with my friends and watch videos. Wikipedia helps me study. And VOA Special English is great for learning English with slow, clear news.
That's awesome. How long have you been using those websites?
Since I was a freshman at university, so it's been a few years.
Wow, that's a long time. What do you usually use them for?
I use them to study online or just to relax after working.
Cool. What's your favorite website?
Definitely YouTube.
Ah, same here. What kind of videos do you like?
I like English learning videos, travel vlogs, and sometimes funny animal clips.
Haha, me too. Do you read websites in English?
Yes, I do. Most useful websites are written in English.
Is it easy for you to understand them?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. If I don't understand, I use a dictionary or Google Translate.
Good idea. What do you think is the most popular website in your country?
I'm not sure, but I think it's Facebook. Everyone uses it.
Yeah, Facebook is super popular. Do you think students should use websites for studying?
Yes, of course. Websites are very helpful for finding information.
But are all websites reliable?
Not really. Some give false information.
So how can students find reliable ones?
They should check the author, the date, and make sure it's a well-known site.
That's smart advice.
Thanks. And I'd recommend my favorite websites to others. They're fun and great for learning English.
Great job, everyone.
Great job today. Keep practicing these questions and answers until you can say them fluently without thinking. Then try the conversation with a friend or even by yourself in front of a mirror.
Remember, daily practice is the key to speaking English confidently.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Bye!
Bye!